Now, the only thing we need to add here is the color, because as you know, if the progress is between 0 and 33, the progress indicator is supposed to be red. If progress is between 33 and 66, it should be yellow, and 66 and more should be green. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to define let task progress color. We don't give it any value for now. And what I need here is if-else statement. Okay. First condition is going to be props.progress is less or equal 33. In this case, task progress color should be red, F3ADAD, semicolon here. Second condition, props progress is more than 33 and props progress is less or equal 66. In this case, task progress color is supposed to be yellow, which is FFCB02. Now, else, in this case, if the number is more than 66, task progress color should be green, which is 00C975. Okay, now let's copy this variable, and I'm going to use it here. Style, background color, task progress color. Actually, we need double curly brackets here. Perfect. Coloring is correct, but now I will add one more thing here. Width props progress plus %, and now we are good. In this case, we use progress, which we get as props, not only for coloring but also to define width of this inner div. Okay, looks quite good to me. Let's actually fix data of this task here. First month and day 25, let's say. Control S, and it's fixed. Let's make the progress something like 85. Control S, and it's green. Perfect. We're done here. So far, we use quite successfully the data that comes from the state. We display each individual project with title, task titles. We successfully print individual timelines for each project. We successfully display progress indicators, initials of each person assigned to individual tasks. We use progress indicator to define color and width of this element here. We successfully adjust position on the timeline of each individual progress indicator. We also have working navigation between pages. If you are still with me, you did quite a good job. In the next video, we are going to introduce Redux to our application. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you.